Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every agency owner out there: the importance of scaling your agency. Whether you're a small startup or a well established firm, understanding when and how to expand your business can be the key to unlocking unprecedented growth and success. We'll explore why scaling is essential for increasing your revenue, reaching new markets, and enhancing your service offerings. Plus, we'll touch on how scaling impacts not just your bottom line, but also your team's development and the overall value you provide to your clients. So, if you're looking to take your agency to the next level, stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to successful scaling. But before I start, hi, my name is Hagop Avedikian, and here on this channel, I make content about sales, lead generation, and how to run successful agency. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, let's start by talking about how to identify the right moment to scale. Over the years, I've learned that scaling your agency isn't just about ambition. It's about recognizing the right signals at the right time. One clear sign is consistent revenue growth. This isn't about a good month or two, but a steady upward trend that suggests your services are in a high demand. Speaking of demand, that's another crucial indicator. When client inquiries start to exceed your capacity, it's a signal from the market that your agency has room to grow. However, expansion isn't just about seizing opportunities, it's also about readiness. This means having the financial stability to invest in growth without jeopardizing your operations. Equally important is your client base. A solid and diverse clientele not only provides the revenue needed for scaling, but also the security of knowing your growth isn't reliant on a few big names. Now, in summary, scaling is a significant step, and recognizing these signs while ensuring your agency's foundation is solid are key to a successful transition. Now, let's talk a little bit about the challenges of scaling your agency. In my journey of scaling, I've navigated through waters filled with the common obstacles many agencies face. Resource allocation, often top of the list. Balancing the investment in growth while maintaining operational efficiency can feel like walking in tightrope. Then there's the challenge of maintaining service quality. As your agency grows, ensuring that each client receives the same high level of service they've come to expect from you becomes increasingly difficult. Perhaps the most subtle yet profound challenge is preserving your company's culture. It's the glue that holds your team together. As you add more people, keeping that culture intact requires deliberate effort. I've seen agencies, much like ours, overcome these hurdles through innovative solutions. For example, a digital marketing company grew bigger by putting money into training that taught new people what's really important to them. This made sure their team spirit and the quality of their work didn't get lost as they got expanded. Their experience and others like it lights the way for businesses like ours. It shows us that even though growing a business comes with its tough spots, those problems can definitely be beaten. Now let's talk about strategies for successful growth. In my journey of scaling our agency, I've found few strategies indispensable for effective growth. Automating processes has been a game changer, allowing us to handle more work without missing a beat. By introducing automation for the repetitive tasks, we've not only increased our efficiency, but also given our team more time to focus on creative and strategic tasks that add real value. Hiring the right talent is equally crucial. Each new member must not just bring new skills to the table, but also share our vision and drive. This approach ensures our team remains strong and cohesive even as we expand. Now, expanding our service offerings carefully has opened new doors as well. By staying tuned to our clients' evolving needs and industry trends, we've been able to introduce services that truly make difference, keeping us ahead of the competition. Now, technology, without a doubt, plays a pivotal role in our scaling efforts. Tools and platforms that streamline operations has been key, from project management softwares to CRM systems to enhance our customer interactions. Each technological solution we adopt pushes us a step closer to a seamless scalability. In essence, scaling is about embracing technology to automate and optimize, bringing on board talent that grows with us, and expanding our services in a way that meets real world needs. This balanced approach has been the cornerstone of our growth, ensuring we scale not just quickly, but wisely as well. I guess that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and God bless you.